Yeah, here we have a Federal Signal model SST MV audible horn. This does 4 different settings here. It has wail, yelp, horn, and temp slow whoop. This is 24 volts. We have it hooked 24 volts. It also does 120 volt or 240 volt. There's a little switch inside here. You switch that over. In any case, we have it plugged into 24 volts just to show you that it does operate. And here we go. It's a very loud unit. So we always test these units. It's in really good condition. It's adjustable. It's a wall mount. You can mount it in any position. And it does include a gasket set and a 4-inch square box hole mounter with the screws and the instruction manual. And we thank you for looking at our product.